On today's body cam, we're checking out teen's attitude gets her arrested after she calls police for help.
Okay. No, I don't want you all to take me to jail for anything that I called for. Because I'm not drunk, I'm not anything, I'm just trying to ask for help. That's why I called the dispatch and said that there was nothing help.
Kaylin, how you doing?
Okay.
What's going on?
I don't want any help.
You don't want any help?
No.
Why'd you call then?
Yeah, because somebody stole my money, but there's no help that y'all can do now because I don't know where the car went.
Okay. Do you have a description of the vehicle or a plate?
It's a white vehicle. I told them the description of the vehicle on the dispatch, and they didn't do shit, so I don't care no more.
So you don't have a plate or anything, or?
I told them the description on the dispatch, so I don't have a vehicle name. So it's a white vehicle. I believe it's a Jeep.
Do you know who it was?
No. Yeah, I understand who it was. I don't know. I was with somebody named Desir. I was with somebody named Gianna. I was with somebody named Julie. I was with a lot of people that night, so I don't know their specific last
When did this happen?
Maybe around 11.
So it happened right when you called?
11:30, yeah.
Oh, 11:30? Where did it happen at?
At the parking lot at the beach.
What beach?
At the beach down the road.
Any drinking?
Damn, I can't even hear this shit, man. Come on, man. Y'all should have put subtitles on this, because I can't even, and YouTube subtitles don't even be worth a damn.
I was not.
They were drinking, you weren't? Any weapons in the vehicle?
No.
No? How you feel right now? You're fine? You want to step out for me? Just step out real fast. We'll worry about your key in a minute.
It's just my phone. I don't have anything on me.
What's it?
It's just my phone. I don't have anything on me.
Where's your shoes?
Where's your shoes?
I took them.
They took them?
Yeah, man, I threw in my trunk to get more shoes. But I wanted to step out.
Because I want to make sure you were safe to drive.
Yeah, I am. I have my work bag back here. That's my work bag.
Okay, what do you do for work?
I work at a pizza place. I have some shoes back here as well.
Okay. And you had nothing to drink tonight?
No, nothing. I promise.
Was anyone drinking in your car?
Yes, the odor is coming from my car.
Why would it be coming from your car?
Because they were drinking in my car, and then they stole my car. They took my car without my permission.
They took your car?
They took my car to get more alcohol, and
Okay.
I did not go with them.
Okay.
That's why I called and asked for more supervision, but it's nothing that y'all can do now. That's why I said I do not want y'all help.
What's
And
with the cap and at your feet there?
That was not me. That was them.
That was them?
That was them. I swear I was not drinking. That was
Okay.
them. So I understand I can get charged with that because I'm the driver.
This is the problem with doing something wrong. You know, if you out and about doing something that you're not supposed to be doing, and you end up getting jammed up and something happens and you got to call the police for help, it can easily backfire on you, right? Like, let's take her word at face value, right? If what she's saying is true, she was hanging out with some friends, her friends did her dirty, whatever, and she called the cops initially to try to help with the situation because her friends did her dirty. Well, you also are doing something that you're not supposed to be doing, so you're not on the straight and narrow neither. And now, yeah, they'll be there to help you if you, whatever it is that you need, but they're also going to investigate you now too. See, so you can't call the police and then say, no, I don't want them here no more, because you realize you not right. You're cooked.
For the vehicle now, but it was not me. I'm going to go on my back seat to just look for shoes.
Okay.
Yeah, you doing too much movement.
Are you willing to do some field sobriety testing for me?
Perfectly fine.
You're perfectly fine.
Yep. I can put on some shoes for you guys. Just one moment. Oh shit! I'm gonna cry for. Okay.
How old are you?
18. So I'm gonna get sent to jail if I fail this DUI or whatever it is. This field sobriety test, and you'll take me in for DUI. I want to be a lawyer, so I understand how this shit works.
Okay.
So how do you guys want me?
Okay. How do you feel overall today?
I'm fine.
Okay.
I promise you I'm fine.
Well, if you want to be a lawyer, why would you start ruining your body before you even are set in your career, right? This is my take on tattoos. and we're going into something a little different. If you happen to give a fuck about my take on tattoos, okay? But it's one of those things that, okay, we get it. You're expressing yourself, yada, yada, whatever, right? But the thing is that if you are going to get tattoos, you should already be set in your career, whatever choice that you're going to get. And I'm talking about visible tattoos, things that are visible. If you looked in the beginning of the video, you notice that she has a tattoo on her hand, like on this part right here. And it's like, for most jobs, professional jobs, if you're going to have tattoos, they don't want it going below the wrist, right? Because it will have to be covered up with a shirt. Now, nowadays, tattoos are a lot more lenient, but still, in professional settings, they don't want you all tatted up looking, you know what I mean? So you want to be a lawyer, okay, but you gotta wait on the ink. You have to wait on all that stuff until you settled in what you're gonna do for your career. That's how I look at it.
Eyes or anything like that.
I don't know.
30 seconds.
No.
A minute?
No, I can stand a minute and 30 seconds. So I'm just saying, like, okay. It does affect me in a way, but I do stand like this. So if I were to do this test and were to walk in the line, it would affect me.
So you can't walk in a straight line?
I mean, I can walk in a straight line.
Okay. If you stand on one leg, that's only 30 seconds long, okay?
I understand. I know everything. Okay.
So I need you to stand feet together, hands at your side. Stay in this position until I tell you, until the test is over with, okay? So keep your head still and follow the stimulus with your eyes and eyes only.
Sorry, I've been crying.
No, it's okay. So stimulus is going to be the green light, okay? Follow that with your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand these instructions?
Yes.
Okay.
At least she has real tears.
I've been crying, so my lashes are getting in the way. I can take them off if you want me to.
Do you want to? Is that better?
I can try. I can't really take all of them off, but I can take those off.
Okay. Right. Don't move your head.
I'm not trying to.
Okay.
My lashes are getting in the way.
No, you're good. Just keep focus on the stimulus, okay? I can tell you're not focusing on it.
I am.
Okay.
I see the green dot right there.
Okay.
To the right of me.
Okay.
I told you I cannot really see.
Okay. Well, I don't need you to be able to see clearly. I just need you to be able to follow the stimulus with you.
Like I have prescripted contacts coming in and glasses coming in too.
That's fine. You don't need to be able to actually see. You just need to follow the stimulus.
Yeah, no, I felt like I was not moving my head. I feel like there was jittery in my eyes, like you would say, but I wasn't moving.
Why do you feel like there was jittery in your eyes?
I don't know. I just feel like you're gonna say that because I already know how this works. I watch body cam videos. I watch everything. Okay. So I don't know. I don't want you all to take me to jail.
Let me find out she watched me, man. Let me know. Reach out. Are you a fan of the show? Let me know. Let me know. I wouldn't. You know what's crazy? I was thinking about this the other day, like last week, and I'm like, yo. What if somebody that was actually involved, like in one of these things, like watched my version of it, right? Because obviously I'm a reaction channel, but watch my version of it. Man, reach out. I interview you. We gonna switch it up. I interview you, man. Reach out. Yes. Interviewing somebody that's on body cam, that'd be crazy, right? But anyways, yeah. I must give her credit though. At least she's crying with real tears. Real tears. She knows she messed up. So I must give her credit on that, man.
For anything that I called for. So I'm not drunk. I'm not anything. I'm just trying to act.
Oh, you see the tattoo all on her hand? See, that's what I was talking about.
For help. That's why I called the dispatch and said that there was nothing help. I cannot physically drive because my tire is popped on this side. Okay. I have not checked it yet, but I know it's popped because the temperature says it's at 1.
Yeah.
Is there any more tests you want me to run?
Yeah. Let me move my car back a little bit, and I'll have you step.
I'm not gonna lie, bro.
No, I know, but I don't want you stepping over this here, so we're gonna start above this. I'm gonna move my car back up.
So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because you're not gonna do shit. You're not gonna do anything. to go help them, but you're gonna try to help me.
So take one step forward.
You said you didn't want help anymore.
Oh, hold on.
I already know how it works. So
Okay.
you take 9 steps forward, take a series of steps, and you take 9 steps back, take a series of steps.
Okay, I just wanted you to take a step forward so you're not standing on that uneven crack. All right, so we're gonna use this white line here. All right, so I'm gonna ask you to put your left foot on that line. Put your right foot in front of it with your right heel touching your left toe. Keep your hands at your side. Do not start the test until you are instructed to do so. When told to begin, take 9 heel-to-toe steps in a straight line. Turn around keeping 1 foot on the line as I will demonstrate, and return 9 heel-to-toe steps in a straight line. On the 9th step, keep your front foot on the line. Turn around by taking several small steps with the other foot. All right, and you guys stay in this position until I tell you to begin.
Yeah, I understand. I'm waiting for your instructions. I'm waiting for you to demonstrate.
I'm giving you instructions. You need to stay in this position, the starting position. Okay, I've been in this starting position this whole time. You need to be in the starting position, okay?
And never they've been in the starting position when they started the body cam videos.
Okay.
Continue.
While performing the test, watch your feet at all times, keep your arms by your side, count steps out loud, and do not stop until you completed the test. All right, so it looks something like this here.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, and so forth. Series of small steps. Turn around and return. 1, 2,
and 9
3.
Yep.
Okay. Do you understand these instructions?
I understand.
All right. Go ahead and begin. You're going to stand with your feet together, arms by your side. Stay in this position until you begin. Do not begin the test until instructed. When I tell you to do so, raise one leg, either leg, approximately 6 inches off the ground. Foot pointed out. Keep both legs straight. Do not bend your knees. Keep your eyes on your raised foot. While holding that position, count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003,
Until when?
and so on, until you are told to stop.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004.
Look at your leg.
2006, 2007, 2008.
Okay, you can stop.
I'm just saying, like, if this field sobriety test is not going to do anything for me, then y'all can just cuff me up and just take me to jail now. Because if it's not going to do anything for me, then just take me to jail. There's no point in me doing all these tests for y'all just to say, oh, y'all are booked. You are booked. But I know I'm not drunk. Desir Gordon.
Do you know how to spell his name? Do you know if he has a middle?
I believe he does, but I don't know it.
You don't know it?
I don't know it.
Do you by chance know their date of birth?
I believe he was born in 04. Would that make him 21 or 20?
Depends on the month.
Maybe.
Or it'll be 21. He'll be 21.
Did his birthday just passed?
Damn, we got people being born in 04. That's in their 20. Yo. Damn. That shit just made me feel old, man. That right there just made me feel old. She said, I think he was born in 04. Man. I was a little kid, 04, man. 10 years old. A little chubby 10-year-old running around. Damn, man. Yeah, because we're not even dealing with, at this point, you know, if she is intoxicated and stuff like that or whatever, it's one thing to be, you know, drinking and driving or whatever they're going to do, you know, right? But we're not even getting to the part of underage drinking, right? Because she's not even 21 yet. So you're 18. Damn, you just all types of messed up, man.
So, 03, or yeah.
Okay.
Or like, he just turned 20. Am I allowed to leave my
Yeah. Again, I just want to get that knocked out of the way, but I also want to go into this here. We're going to have one more thing. Do you have a PVT on you? Mine's in for calibration. Who else was with you?
Julie, Gianna, I don't know their last names.
Julie and Gianna?
I don't know everybody that was with Samir. Zamir is Z-A, and then Mir, M-I-E-R, I guess. I don't know how to spell his name. I don't think that's how you spell it, but that's how I know it.
Dashir is a male?
There's a yes. Am I allowed to put my arms in my sleeve?
Yeah. And Julie's a female?
Yes.
And Zamir
Yes.
is a male?
Yes.
And you don't know last names for them?
No. And then I have somebody named Yari who lives in India.
So hear your complaint, and I'm trying to
No, that's okay.
help you out with that.
I don't want help. I don't want any help. That's why I said
Okay.
I don't want any help. I don't care. I don't care enough. It's just
Oh, good.
money.
So let's just lock you up.
You said it wasn't.
Mine.
Well, you said it wasn't yours.
No, it was my money.
Okay.
It never got back to me. They took my money.
Okay. So someone in that group took your money. Where was your money at?
In my wallet. I can grab it out the front seat for you if you would like.
And it's not there?
No.
Okay.
It was $200. I checked in my wallet as soon as it was in this. Yes, it was like $200, $300. I was in the trunk. My wallet was in the trunk. So they went in the back of my vehicle and stole my money out the back of my vehicle.
Okay. While you were in the back of the vehicle with it?
No, I was not in the car for when this happened.
Okay. When did they take your car? Where were you at?
I think I was at the spot still, and then they took my money when I was in the car. I didn't think they saw me. I didn't think they saw me take my wallet out the back, so I think they checked my whole car and just took everything. So that's why I'm upset.
Were
I
you trying to buy something tonight?
No.
No?
No, I was not. It makes me tired later at night. It doesn't make me tired right away. So
but you said you took it at 6:30, and now here it is 11:40.
I'm not that tired. That's why I've been yawning and
put your hands
stuff.
behind your back.
I'm getting a pain under that.
Yep. Here, why don't you put your hands in your sleeves?
I've been in those before. Just one.
Oh yeah, like it stuff doesn't tighten anymore on you. Put your wrist.
No, it's okay. It's not gonna hurt my wrist.
Do you have anything on you?
No.
All right. So I'm gonna check your waistline, okay?
My phone.
Okay, we'll grab it.
Maybe not. It's okay. I will call my mom from the station.
Well, do you have her number?
Yes.
Okay.
Here, I don't have to go in my car.
Well, we do have to go in your car. It's getting towed.
My mom can tow it. Is that not the case or no?
It's our policy that whenever you make an arrest,
Where's it gonna get towed?
it'll be just down the road at Fox Towing.
I'm just allowed to call her at the station?
Yep, you'll call her. Is she on her way here now?
I don't know. I texted her. I don't know.
We'll give her a call, okay? Before we take off. Watch your foot.
The suspect was arrested for driving under the influence and refusing sobriety testing. If you enjoyed this video...